Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can convert a PNG logo to an SVG format. Now you might say my PNG logo is of high quality, but once you start to zoom in a bit, you can see that the quality isn't that good after all. Stick with me until the end and I will show you how to convert it into an SVG format for free. So let's get into it. Alright, open your browser and head over to this website. Simply upload your PNG logo here. Now as you can see here, our image is successfully converted into an SVG format. Now you can zoom in as much as you want and the image quality will still remain the same. Click on download and save it on your computer system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.